Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya Switzerland undertook a memorable excursion on 3rd of February 2024. It took the expedition participants into the depths of a glacier cave in Zermatt. Zermatt is a picturesque little village at an altitude of 1,600 meters, located in the southern part of Switzerland, and is world famous for the iconic Matterhorn mountain. The tour was planned by Mr. Fahad Sayed and was awaited with great anticipation. It attracted a total of 12 khuddam, 6 of whom traveled all the way from Germany to participate in this special activity. The group met at 10 a.m. at Tash railway station, from where they traveled together by train to Zermatt. On arrival, the group first rented the snowshoes required for the excursion. They then took the cable car to Schwarzsee, where they had the opportunity to take pictures in front of the world-famous Matterhorn, the mountain that inspired the Toblerone chocolate brand. The hike began next to the slope with fantastic weather. After an ascent, the participants put on their snowshoes to avoid sinking into the soft snow. The steep terrain was a considerable challenge for many who were in Zermatt for the first time and using snowshoes. The participants were divided into a fast and a slow group. After arriving at the glacier cave, everyone enjoyed their lunch with a fantastic view. One of the members brought along a camping cooker on which delicious tea was prepared and served to the participants. With the view of the Matterhorn, the participants also commemorated the incredible achievement of Mr. Abdul Wahid Waraij, the former president of the Majlis Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya Switzerland. He is so far the only Ahmadi Muslim to have successfully climbed the Matterhorn. He also had the distinguished honor of hoisting the flag of Islam Ahmadiyya on the highest peaks of all the continents of the world, including Mount Everest. Shortly before 3 o'clock, everyone set off back and the group arrived safely in Schwarzsee. At 4 p.m., at an altitude of 2,500 meters, the prayers were performed together. A spiritual highlight after an incredible and memorable day. MTN News, Switzerland Studios.
Yeah. आज हमारी सुबह की सैर शहर के अंदर ही राउंड की थी। हल्की हल्की बारिश की वजह से यहाँ 4 चक्कर 1-1 किलोमीटर के, उससे फिर ये है कि अपना वो जो एक तमन्ना होती है सुबह सुबह ताज़ा हवा की, वो पूरी कर ली है। आओ जी, सामने देखे कलमा तैयबा, वो आपको दिखाते हैं करीब करके ज़रा। सुबह की जो सैर है ये देखें, ज़बरदस्त सीन पेश कर रहा है। और इस साइड पे ये एक और बड़ा सा, यानी हमारी जो भी बिल्डिंग्स यहाँ जहाँ नमाज सेंटर भी है, वहाँ बाहर जो पहचान है, वो अगर मीनारे बनाने की इजाज़त नहीं भी होती गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, तो यहाँ कलमा तैयबा का इतना बड़ा जो बाहर लोगो है वो आपको नज़र आ जाता है। और जो मुसलमान कोई होगा वो उसी वक्त समझ जाएगा कि यहाँ नमाज सेंटर है।